Here, sit in front of me and I'll tie this colorful Rakhi on your wrist.
Netra, why do sisters tie Rakhis on their brothers' wrists?
Well, Ashwin, this festival in our culture celebrates the sacred relationship of brothers and sisters. This day makes them feel special. The sisters and brothers are reminded the connection that exists between them.
But sister, mother says Rakhi is a thread of love and responsibilities. How?
Yes, the thread of Rakhi signifies brotherly and sister love. It represents responsibility on both of us. You being my brother has the responsibility of looking after my safety, comfort, convenience. And I being your sister have responsibility of looking after your interests. We have to stand by each other through thick and thin.
Why do brothers give gifts or money to their sisters on Rakhi?
It is just a sentiment or a token of love towards us.
Oh, I see. Thank you for letting me know everything about it. I now realize the sanctity of this festival. I will endeavor to be an ideal brother to you.
Happy Raksha Bandhan to all brothers and sisters.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.